Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode with me, Shashank Godappa. And in today's episode, we are going to look at some very interesting IT companies that have taken deep correction. But we're going to look at companies that can do a comeback and can do a turnaround. And these are IT companies that have bottomed out, large caps that I am currently tracking. So let's quickly dig in. Also, guys, as you know, I am a SEBI registered research analyst, and we had recently launched our small cases. We have two small cases that are interesting. One is the Fluid C, which is a long term basket, and the other one is a Fluid Q, which is a quant and momentum basket. Now, you might say that, yes, Shashank, momentum is not there in the market because market is doing very bad. But the game is not on momentum, it's also on portfolio construction. And if you see how our basket is performing, Nifty 500 is 0.28 minus from when we started, and our small case is up 6.48%, and it has been doing obviously very well over a long period of time. And if we look at the stocks, most of it is large cap and mid cap heavy. We are less on small cap, and we are also 15% on gold, and this is also doing very interesting. So if you are interested in this, you can definitely check it out. And once you subscribe to it, or if you do subscribe to it, please send me an email and I will add you to a specific exclusive WhatsApp group where I keep giving regular updates as well. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Next, let's jump into the entire game. So if you look at Nifty is currently doing a gap filling right now. It is not going up, not going down. It is currently in a gap filling mode. But let's look at some companies that I feel have currently bottomed out. If you look at TCS, look at this. TCS looks like it has absolutely bottomed out over here from a chart standpoint, right? If you look at this, 2020 October was when it did the previous breakout, and right now it is currently at those levels, and it has absolutely evaporated all the gains that could probably be there in a particular company over here. Now, if you look at TCS as well, if I come here and show you the fundamental analysis, TCS has now gone to 19.84 PE as of today. Today, 19.84 matlab forward P will be maybe 17 or 18. Now, why is this the case? Because people are not happy with TCS. The growth rate is like 7-8%. So nobody's going to pay a lot of money for 7-8%. But a lot of changes are happening in TCS. For example, recently you should go check it out. They did something called TCS Analyst Day, where they only spoke about AI and AI services. And they have now finally realized that all the existing employees they have to make them AI engineers. Because if AI is going to become the future, then the guy who has all the AI led technology services company, they will basically win. Now, they're still not going into products. I would prefer companies over services as products, but they're going to be a service shop again, but now they will be AI led service shop. So that is basically what it looks like. And very interesting because right now you're getting it at COVID levels. The next company that I'm looking at is Infosys. Again, look at Infosys here. They have also got absolutely smashed with all of this, right? It doesn't look good from any angle. Again, same issue. They were caught sleeping behind the wheel like all IT companies, but it is an opportunity the way I see it. If you look at the P ratio of this, it's come down to 18.69 Infosys, right? Now, again, I look at this as an opportunity because look, these companies are not going to go anywhere. They are going to be there. They will do a turnaround. Only narrative is bad today. The minute narrative changes, the turnaround will happen as well. And we have to be ready at the right place at the right time for this turnaround, right? If you look at Infosys, they have also done something very interesting. They have also announced Infosys AI Day. Now you see all services companies are doing AI conference, AI Day, AI led services. And this is the entire thing where Nandan Nilekani came and spoke about why AI transition is different. What are they planning to do? How are they going into the platform route? And this is a very beautiful, interesting article that you should read where they are talking about Gen AI and Agentic AI because the world of AI is moving so fast. It is insane, right? And they're talking about how innovations in the past actually disrupted when internet came in, cloud came in. Even when cloud came in, people all spoke about this, that, these guys are gone, but they kind of changed their mode. So now, even in AI, if they do AI-based services, they have engineers who are ready and they have AI-ready systems, then basically they start winning as well. And that is now what everyone is now trying to look at, that they're going to become an AI-first model. And anytime any company in the world wants to spend on AI, they said instead of hiring a local guy, you hire us. We will do it at a much cheaper cost for you. And we will build the entire system out for you as well. So this is basically where they are going. Yes, they are not going to be building their own AI LLMs. I think Sarvam AI is coming for that. But this is where they are coming to disrupt the entire game. And you should definitely have a look at this. The third company that again is very interesting, I think you guys should look at from a bottoming out standpoint, even though it's amazing. is Persistent. As you can see, Persistent hasn't fallen as much as the other two peers. They're very strong, but they have definitely come to a point where they are, what do you call that, at a very beautiful zone. Persistent was always overvalued. It was at 70, 80 PE. Right now, I think it is at 43 PE, which is not bad at all. But it still has a small way to go because it is falling down mainly because of all these news only. But Persistent is a wonderful company from a everything from revenue growth standpoint, profit growth standpoint, net worth growth standpoint. Everything is looking good there. And if you look at the Persistent investor presentation, they are also all talking about AI led. So everything right now is going to be AI led, AI focused. For a services company that has no AI product, everything is going to be AI led only, right? But see, this is the narrative. All of us were angry with IT companies because the narrative was bad, saying that you didn't do it, didn't do AI, didn't do AI. Now they're all coming and saying we are AI, we are AI, we are AI, but they're not AI. They are AI services. They are not AI product, but they are finding their small gap in this entire ecosystem. But that is going to give us a lot of advantages because today IT is not a deep value play anymore because there's no value left, right? The value is changing. But IT is definitely on the contra scale of things. It is a contra play. So if you are bullish about Indian IT as a services business, that it will continue to provide AI services in the future, and we will still be smart labor in India giving AI services. Yes, I might not need 100 engineers. I might need 10 engineers, but those 10 engineers would be at a premium cost rather than a cheap cost, right? So that is what you should be bullish on. Again, I want you guys to learn this, understand this. Don't get scared of AI. I keep saying this because a lot of people think AI will come and you will lose your job. Yes, it is for people who don't adapt. If you adapt, right? If you adjust and adapt and survive, then you will definitely do a very good job in the world of AI. Don't get scared of it. Try to master it. The minute you master AI, they will always need people who are good with AI, right? So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this video. And if you are watching this, then please click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel because I keep giving interesting updates like this all the time. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.